Okay, let's see. Okay, we're back up. And the resolution didn't change. Unbelievable. It's still streaming at that really high resolution for some reason. Darn it. It's still showing really small on the screen. I don't know how to fix that. Why is it still showing so big? I mean, so small. The resolution did change, but it didn't. It didn't change the text. Is there a way that I can like zoom into my screen to make things bigger for folks to read? Let's see here. Just use native resolution and on OBS and on monitor. Just display settings and set to 200. Is that you mean in? Wait a minute. Use native resolution and on OBS and on monitor, just in displays. So display settings. Apply. Oh well. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, now my screens are jacked up. Hold on. Let me see if I can fix this. I can't. Now I won't be able to see. Now that made my screen like crazy. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. Let's close that. Let's close that. Hold on. Okay. I'm getting there. Hold on. It's still kind of blurry though. I don't know if you guys can even read anything on there at that resolution because it's at 720. Oh my god. To get back to 1080, I would have to stop the stream and start it again. You can also set up a... Okay. So you guys... Let me see something. Let's try something here. Let's see. Hang in there. We almost got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're getting another error, guys. It says booting test this media and start Fedora KDE Desktop Live. This kernel requires an x86 64 machine, which I think I have. It says, but only detecting an i686 CPU. Unable to boot, please use a kernel appropriate for your CPU. You guys probably can't even read that on the screen because it's so blurry. Oh, man. This seems like it's more trouble than it's worth. I just got to try to figure out what in the world. Let me try Arch and see what that does. Let's see. Arch might work. Hold on, let's see. Wait a minute, Arch is actually working. Fedora didn't work, but see, you guys won't even be able to read that at 720p. So I'm at root at Arch ISO. After connecting to the internet, the installation guide can be accessed via the convenient script install guide. For Wi-Fi authentication to the wireless network using I something to install Arch Linux, follow the installation guide. Try contacting VM SSH server via SSH v socket %1 from host. Arch login root automatic login. Oh my gosh, you got class in 6 hours. Holy cow, man. Yeah, get some sleep. If we get this up tonight, just I'll send you a message on Discord for sure. I'm gonna keep messing with it for a little bit. I'd really like it to make it so you guys could read everything on the stream clearly, though. I have a feeling that it's coming through crappy on y'all's end because I'm watching the stream too on another screen, and it looks really bad. Arch install, okay. Fetching Arch Linux package database. Okay, I'll definitely send you a message and a screenshot. Okay, all right, sounds good, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate all your help, man. TrueCat, I'm not sure if you're on the Discord or not, but the Discord link is in the description of the video. You don't need a, all you need to do is just click on the link and everybody's welcome on there. So I'm at a screen where it has a bunch of stuff. It says press Control H for help. English, and then it has a thing called locales. I don't know what all this stuff is. Host name, that's fine. And then I go down to save configuration, I guess. Save configuration. Save user configuration using disk layout. Save US, save all. Enter a directory for the configuration to be saved. Tab completion enabled. So am I supposed to be like, okay, so directory. It's asked me for directory. Oh, TrueCat. Okay, when you join TrueCat, just put in your even though that's your thing, just say, hey, this is my YouTube name or whatever, so I know who it is. I think we're rolling, dude. I think we're going okay. Oh, okay. What should I type in for directory? It's asking me for like to put in a name for the directory. Should we just call it Arch or something? Okay, that's cool, Cat. All right, I'm just gonna do that. Not a valid directory. Enter a directory for the configurations to be saved. Tab completion enable. Maybe /arch. Invalid directory. So just slash. Okay, there we go. Do you want to save configurations to yes? Okay, let's just do that. Do you want to encrypt your user credentials? .json file. Oh, come on, man. It says, do you want to save the configuration files to slash? I don't know what to do. I have no idea. Okay. Do you want to encrypt the user credentials .json file? Those two works. Okay, now we're back at the screen that has the Arch language, locales, mirror repositories, disk configuration, swap bootloader, host name, authentication, profile. Yeah, see the works. Go back to that main menu. Okay, I'm back in the main menu. It's giving me the option of save configuration, install, or abort. Disk configuration? Okay. Okay, now it says partitioning. Use a best effort default partition layout, manual partitioning, or pre-mounted configuration. Best effort formatting. Okay, then do I just hit that, I guess? File system, BTRFS, ext4, xfs, f2fs. I have no idea what to put there. Okay. And it says partitioning, LVM, disk encryption, and back. I'm sure glad you know this stuff, dude, because I wouldn't have got past the first step. Back we go. Okay, go back. All right. All right, now we're back at save configuration with all that stuff. Install, abort, swap, bootloader, hostname, authentication, profile, applications, kernels, network configuration, all that fun stuff. No worries. Take a couple hours. Okay, so do I just click on save configuration, or do I? You think I should just do install? it's, it takes a couple. Yeah, I'll probably have to do that someday. I'm gonna sit down and read it more than likely. I just want to be able to run all these different distros through here so I can play with them. What's after disk configuration? It says swap, then bootloader, hostname, um, authentication, profile, applications, kernels, network configuration, additional packages, time zone, automatic time sync. But the one right after disk configuration is swap. Swap we can ignore. Check bootloader. Okay. Okay, bootloader says grub. Host name is Arch Linux. Authentication is nothing. Profile is nothing. Application is empty. Kernels is Linux. Network configuration is nothing. Additional packages is nothing. Bootloader grub. Yes, bootloader is grub. But there's nothing in authentication. Oh shit, what did I do back? Authentication, it says root password, user account, U2F login setup, and back. Profile needs to be desktop. Okay, so back. Oh, root password. Okay. Root password. We'll just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, user account and add a user. Let's call it Dan. Should this be the password for super user sudo? Yes. Let's do that. Okay, confirm and exit. Now create a user and give him root sudo. Yeah, I think it did. I think it sudo. Yeah, it says true for sudo rights. Confirm and exit. Okay. Okay, so that's authentication. And the next thing on the list is profile. Oh, profile to desktop. Type desktop. Okay. And then it gives me a bunch of different options. Awesome, BSPWM, Budgie, Cinnamon, Cute Fish, Deep Fin, Enlightenment, Gnome, Hyperland, KDE Plasma. It gives me a bunch of different options. Sway, X, Monad. Then go to KDE Plasma and hit space. Okay. Okay. And that's the one you wanted on your Fedora, so we'll get here too. Okay. And then there's like graphics driver, greeter, and then it also gives you the option to go back. Okay, back to the main menu. All right. And the next thing is applications. And when I click on applications, it says Bluetooth and audio. Would you like to configure Bluetooth? No. Audio? No audio servers, Pipewire, or Pulse audio. Is it going to save these settings when we use it again? Or are we going to have to go through it every time we want to run the VM? Okay, you can skip those? Okay. Back. Okay, the next one is kernels, and the kernel selected is Linux. Oh, Pipewire. Hold on, let me go back. Okay, it's selected. And back to the main menu. Then we have kernels, which is Linux. Network configuration. Manual, let's see. The ISO resets every time the machine boots, so it'll reset. Oh no! Is there any way to save them so we don't have to do this every single time? There's got to be a way to save. There's got to be. Because if we got to do this every time. Kernel is fine. Net's network, and do copy ISO configuration. Okay. Okay. I got copy ISO network configuration. Additional packages. Loading packages. I'm definitely going to read up on this tomorrow because there's got to be a way to save the settings. There's just got to be. Maybe not, but let's see here. It just says loading packages. Okay. Oh, wow. There's a million of them. Oh, my God. No additional packages needed. Okay. Time zone. We'll just use Central Time. I guess it doesn't even really matter since it doesn't save it or won't save it. We'll just use Eastern. I don't know. Okay. Automatic time sync enabled. Yes. Okay. And then the last three options are save configuration and install. All right. So do I just save it and then install, or should I just go to install? I'll save it. Let's see. Save won't work. Okay, never mind. All right, install. Okay, the specified configurations will be applied. Would you like to continue? We'll hit yes. And it's formatting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wiping partition and metadata. Starting installation. Excellent. Man, you don't know how much research I'm going to do on this virtual machine because we've got to figure out a way to save this so we don't have to go through these steps every time we want to play with a different distro. This is nutty. I mean, it'll be a lot faster next time because I'll have it set up better. I'll do a couple test streams tomorrow to make sure I can get the video settings a lot better because I think it's pumping it out at 720 instead of 1080, but it's still not making the stuff any better. Hey, what's up, Monster? You've missed a lot. Almost all my hair is gray now. We're trying to install different distros in a virtual box. And right now, we couldn't get Fedora to work, but now Arch, of all things, is working. What's up, Braven? How are you doing, buddy? What kind of computer you run, Braven? We're playing around with Linux right now. It's a lot of fun. If you have an extra computer or a virtual box, I highly suggest putting Linux on there, man. We're making progress, though. We're making progress. This is the first time ever using VirtualBox for me, so. And I couldn't get the stream settings just right to make the resolution so everybody could read everything on this small little information screen, but I promise by tomorrow I will figure it out and make it easy. Try installing Bedrock Linux on VM. We're going to do it eventually, TrueCat. We're going to do, if you guys want to, I will install every single distro that we can get our hands on and get to work correctly. But I'll be a lot more prepared next time, I promise. This was kind of just like a off the cuff kind of thing. Well, it wasn't me. It was all you. You did it, not me. I just did what you told me to do. So you should give yourself a big pat on the back for walking us through this. DistroBox, is that like a virtual box? Here, while this is installing, let me pull up a browser really quick. Let's see. Actually, it's under the, let's see here. DistroBox is a container wrapping layer that allows users to install containerized versions of Linux that are different to the host while providing tight integration with the host, allowing the use of binaries. DistroBox itself is not a container manager and relies on Podman and Docker. Oh, crazy. Well, I will definitely have to give that a try. Oh, wow. Okay, right there. It's a DistroBox create and then DistroBox list. Whoa, we got to try that. What was the one, TrueCat? Bedrock Linux? Let's see what that comes up with. Let me see where we're at in this installation. Arch is still going, looks like. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of distros. Holy cow. Distro Rosa. Let's see what that is. Distro, what was it? Distro C. Let's see what that looks like. Test drive Linux distro online. Wait a minute, so you can like run a distro through your browser or something? Yeah, BIOS kills me, man. I hate messing with the BIOS because I don't know what I'm doing. I can do a couple small stuff like bootloader and stuff like that, but other stuff, no way. It scares me to do that kind of stuff. Let's see where we're at in installation here. Ooh, it's pretty slow. Let's see. Bedrock is a meta distribution, kind of like T2 Linux. The only T2 I know is Terminator 2. I don't know what that is. Estimated wait time is 0 minutes. Whoa, check it out. This is the distro box, or not distro box. This is the no, it is distro box, I think. Is it? What are we on? I don't even know what we're doing. I forgot now. So here's Debian 13. What do you do here? Let's see. Oh, wait. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. How did we get to this? Was this Bedrock? This kind of reminds me of Ubuntu. Ubuntu. I don't even know what to do with this. I don't know where to go or what to do. Oh, just actually let me write that one down because I want to play with that tomorrow. Distro C. I don't know what to do with this though. Let's see. Settings, full screen. Yeah, I don't even know how to open an application in this thing. I don't know what to do. There's that. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Wait a minute. There we go. What is that? Install Debian. Oh, okay. So that's like their installer and stuff. That's cool. That's a cool way to like check out, different distros just to see what they look like, you know. All right, Monster. Thanks for checking in, man. We appreciate it. We will probably catch you tomorrow. Okay, so that's really cool. That's good to know. So that was. Let's check on the status of Arch though. Let's see what's going on with that. Arch is still doing its thing. It doesn't really give us a percentage of where it's at. Oh no, it does. I guess there's 6 different things being installed at the same time. Let's go check out another one while we're here. Shoot, why not? Let's go back. Y'all want to check out any of these different ones? There's Fedora. There's a lot of them here. Ubuntu, Linux McDebian, Manjaro. Never mess with that. Peppermint OS, OpenSUSE. If y'all want to check one of these out, just type it in chat. I'll click on it. Rocky Linux, Slackware Linux. KDE Desktop or XF. What's let me just click on one. Let's see. Teeny Core. You want to check that out? Teeny Core. There's one person in queue ahead of us. 2 persons ahead in queue. Check back on there real quick. Teeny Core is fun. It should be loading up here in a second. Let's see here. So here's a question for you. If you have to go through all the settings of installing the distro every time you use a VirtualBox, and say one day I found another distro that I really liked, can you dual boot so you don't have to like go through the settings every time? Can you like dual boot into a different distro? That would be kind of a cool thing. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, this one's really laggy. Let's see. This is one we would probably have to try out in VirtualBox because it doesn't. My mouse doesn't even keep up with their mouse. It's super laggy. I can't get the mouse down to the bar. Let me try this. Yeah, this one unfortunately is really laggy. Maybe it's the server. I'll try back on that one. So Bedrock, you want to try out? Let me go back up here. That one's not on the list. Let's see. Yeah, they don't have Bedrock on here. There's Big Linux. Oh, so I won't have to go through all that install process next time I boot into Arch? Yeah, I just don't like going through that whole installation process every single time. Let's see. As long as it saves the settings, that would be cool. Let's see here. Oh, shoot. Well, that's okay then. As long as it stays installed, that's fine. Because going through that install process every time would be for the birds. That wouldn't be very much fun. Because eventually I do want to try out all these different distros just to see what they can do and how they look. So far, I'm perfectly happy with Mint, but you never know. I might find something else. I want to try out that one that that guy was talking about on the internet to test your internet security. Kylie or Keely or something like that. It started with a K, and he said you could use it like to test your network to see if there's like holes in it or something like that. I don't really know anything about that stuff, but it'd be kind of cool just to see if I could get into my own system. I'm not sure if that one's going to work. Let's check the install process. One of the installations is at 97%. The other one's at 83, 30, 30, 40, and 45. Yeah, Kali. That's it. Kali. Kali. Yeah. I don't know if that was on a list because I want to figure out how to do all that stuff. It's Ubuntu with hacking software pre-installed. You can just install all the software on your Mint as well. No way. Are you serious? Well, shoot. Let's do it. Let's try it out. Here's which one's this? This is Fedora. Well, this kind of looks cool. Hold on. I guess you could like change the background and stuff, but let's see. I don't know how you get up to all the programs. Let's see. So you mean I could is there like one place that I can go? Like a one-stop shop and just hit download all the Kali. Um I guess I probably don't want all of them. It would probably take up too much hard drive space, but or maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But it would be cool to have all the different applications and like have them in like a folder or somewhere on my start menu that I could just go to. Maybe like name like a folder like Kali apps or something like that, and be able to go to it from there. That would be pretty cool. I would probably never use all the apps, but it would just be cool to have them available if I wanted it. Oh, hey, check this out. This is kind of like Linux Mint. Um, oh, this is a cool setup. This is Fedora. I forget which one I clicked on. I think that was KDE. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is Fedora KDE. 20 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. For all those. I kind of like this one, guys. Fedora looks good. I'm going to put that on my list. I definitely want to get that up and running. Fedora looks really good. This is the KDE Plasma. Okay. Let's go to let me Google really quick. Let's put in here Kali software package and just see. Let's see. Get Kali package tracker. Kali Linux meta packages. Meta packages are used to install many packages at one time, created as a list of dependencies on other packages. Let's see. See, your Arch virtual machine is going. Yeah, it's at the first one is at 100%. The second one's at 49, 53, 98, 37, 19, and 36. I don't know why it has like 5 installers, but I guess that's what it's doing. I'm really curious to see what Arch is like, though. I always hear people talking about it, so I'm kind of curious. Oh, really? Okay. Well, let's see if any of this makes sense over here to see if there's like a package where we can download the apps that are on Kali. Because even if I don't use them, I'd like to have it in case one day I saw a video and want to do it. Um, oh, I guess that's what we need to do. Kali tools. Let's see if this is it. Yeah, it might take a long time. Hey, check this out. It says, what are meta packages? Meta packages are used to install many packages at one time, created as a list of dependencies on other packages. Kali Linux uses these in a few ways. One way is allowing users to decide how many packages out of the total Kali list they want to install. Need just enough to use Linux, want enough to conduct pen tests, perhaps every other package in Kali. To install meta packages, we're going to first update the system. While not mandatory, this step is highly recommended to make sure that the meta packages can be installed without any unexpected side effects. The procedure to update Kali is documented in detail, blah, blah, blah. Um, Now, there is a way, it says here, to install Kali Linux default, but I don't know if you can do that. And then there's a thing here called Kali tweaks. Let's see. Let me type in can you install Kali tools on Mint, which you already said we could, but maybe it'll tell us how to do it. It says yes, you can install Kali tools on Linux Mint, but it is not recommended as it can lead to system instability due to conflicting package versions between the two operating systems. A safe alternative is to run Kali in a virtual machine or use a dual boot setup. Alternatively, many Kali tools are available in standard repositories and can be installed directly on Mint using the App Package Manager. Actually, here's one directly from the Mint form. Installing Kali tools on Mint is fairly. I'm a fairly new user to Linux, and my first OS is Mint. I've done my research, and this is the OS I want to stick with and use. However, I also want to get to learn about ethical hacking for a future career. I understand Kali OS is full of tools that suits hackers the best. However, I don't want to deal with two different OSs just to get the tools. Can I just install the tools and applications from Kali on Mint OS? Would there be any difference? And does anyone have any suggestions on where I can find these tools? Thanks. This guy replies, it should be possible in principle, perhaps with some caveats. Unless there's a list on their website, the best list would be to boot into Kali from a USB in order to see which tools you want. Make a list and find them on the internet and install directly. Some may be available as an existing Ubuntu Mint package. Others may be a Flatpak or as tarball to download and install manually. Worst case, we'll be having to download the source and build locally. One issue is Kali is pretty leading edge, whereas Mint is based on Ubuntu LTS and therefore more conservative. It may be that Mint doesn't have all the dependencies required, so you may end up pulling at a thread that you wish you had not started. Personally, though, I don't like merging the two worlds of personal computing with pen testing. It's simply enough to set up a dual boot system or alternatively keep Kali ISO on a USB stick with Ventoy and boot into it as required. Then you'll always have the latest tools. Let's see here. This one guy puts, you may end with either Linux missing some features because Kali tools will block them, or Kali tools being compromised. If you see who is at the end of a ping, the other can too, and he would probably have a better configuration than yours. uh, yeah, I think you're right. I think just getting the ISO and running it from a VM or something would be a lot easier than mixing up the two worlds, you know, and the two different distros. Well, while we're waiting for that to install, we could download Kali and uh, put it in the VM. Let's see. We'll go ahead and download it. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Well, there's an option here to download VM virtual machines. Let's see. But it says limited direct access to hardware, higher system requirements, allowing for Kali installation without altering the host OS with additional features such as snapshots, Vagrant image for quick sign up also available. Which one do you think would be better, the installer image or the virtual machine image? I would think the virtual machine one, but that almost seems like it makes too much sense. You know what I mean? It's like that seems like the best option, but maybe not. Let's just go ahead and download it. What the heck? Oh, now it's giving more options. The installer image myself. Existing virtual machines might work too, though. That's where you're looking in VirtualBox under add rather than new. So you should get a VMDK rather than the ISO if you do the virtual machine download. So, which one? Installer image or virtual machine image thing? Which one here? Not sure which one. Left or right? Make it simple for me. So the virtual machine one is on the right, but you said go to the left. Icon of torrent. Okay. Virtual machine. Now they've got a million different ones here. Well, 8. They got the VMware, the VirtualBox, Torrent, Doc, some Hyper-V, and a bunch of stuff. Hyperbox Weekly, VMware Weekly, Hyperbox Weekly. VirtualBox is VirtualBox recommended. Okay, so the VirtualBox right here. Okay, and I guess we're going to do torrent or that. I want to hit that. See what happens. We'll see what happens here. It won't hurt. Worst case scenario, we just delete it. Worst case scenario, you just delete it. All right, let's go back to our virtual box really quick and see what's going on here. 100%, 100%, 73, 67, 51, 74, 71, 49. I've never seen one like this before. The installation process being 5 separate things or 6 different things. Very strange. And this one's almost done downloading. Let's see. Wow, if any of you guys are in West Virginia, Northern Virginia, Central Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, Southern Pennsylvania, you guys are going to get a lot of rain here in a minute. I got my weather radar up there. Oh, I wait for this. Let me see. What else is going on? Looks like they're also getting rain in Las Vegas, of all places, Western Arizona, and Southern California. You think it's going to be really slow? Let's see where we're at. Now, is it actually installing or is it downloading? Because it says receiving packages, so that sounds to me like it's downloading. 2 of them are done. 2 of the 8 are done. So if that doesn't work, then, or if that keeps being slow, then perhaps we'll move on to something else while it does that. It's downloading first, okay. I wonder why it's so slow. It's downloading these other ones super fast. Let's see. 8 out of 160? No, actually, I'm only 2 out of 162. Oh, so it's down. You're saying it's downloading 8 of 100. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right, buddy. That's going to be a long time. Yeah, we're probably not going to be able to play with that one tonight. Well, let's minimize that. We can't install 2 at the same time, I'm guessing. Kali just finished downloading. Where is it? Kali, where did it go? There it is. Okay, I see it. There's Kali. And there's a virtual box, and then there's a VDI image. It was 15 gigs for their virtual box or the VDI. Oh, you can do 2 at the same time? Okay, let's go back to virtual box then. And then this just went wacko on me. Let me minimize that, bring it back up. Let's just call it Kali. Oh, I forgot to finish it. How do I get that out of there into downloads? Extract. Oh, okay. Add instead of new. Okay. It's extracting it right now. Okay. And let's see. Okay. It only gives me the option for, oh, because I hit new probably. Hold on. Cancel. Add. We hit a really slow Arch server, okay, but we have a Kali pre-installed machine image download as well. Can you get the install script for? Yeah, we'll definitely do Bedrock for sure. I just want to try to get this this Kali one in here really fast since we have the I just don't know what to do at this point here. Let's see. The thing kind of messed up on me. Like at the top, the screen's messed up, I guess because add downloads. Okay. Start maybe. Oh wow, check it out. Oh, we don't have an account in here. So if we don't have an account already set up, what? I don't know what to do. Cali. Hey, how'd you know that? That's crazy. Can we make it bigger? Full screen. Hey, there we go. Hey, check that out. That looks pretty clean. I like that. That looks really clean. It's quick too. I don't know because it's in VM, but that's clean and fast. Wow, look at all that stuff, man. Dude. Look how fast that reacts. I think that might be even faster than, or is as fast as Mint. I don't know if it's because it's in a machine. Here, let's see what other kind of, it's got different wallpapers. Oh, that's kind of sick. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Wow. So is there terminal on here? Yeah. Wow, this is fast. Holy cow. Ooh, I like the look of this, guys. This is sort of like the color scheme that I like. This is neat. What do you guys think about that? I don't know about y'all, but I like that. Well, even the internet works on it. Oh, dude, I might be running this a lot. Well, when I'm streaming, my computer slows down. So I think they told me in order for my computer not to like slow down, that I would need to buy a dedicated graphics card. I think that's my issue because my graphics run through the processor, I think. And look how quick you can move. There's like four different desktops at the top of the screen. Remember how I was telling you I was watching a lady do a stream on Arch Linux and she had the four things at the top where she could switch desktops really fast? That's what hers looked like, but I could have sworn she said she was running Arch. So maybe that's the way Arch looks too. I don't know. I do not know. Oh, wow. I really like this color scheme, guys. It doesn't really seem to be slowed down from the VM. It seems to be running pretty snappy considering we're downloading another one in the background and streaming at the same time. It's pretty snappy for that. You can have those on Mint too? I didn't realize that. I might move my menu bar to the top then. I don't know how to get out of full screen view now. Hold on, let's see. I'm really digging this. This is nice. Um, so is there anything if I end up liking Cali? Is there anything that Cali can't do that Mint can do? Because I'm telling you, man, I'm really impressed by this desktop environment. I really like this. They got all kinds of crazy looking programs in here. How do you? Let me get out of this. How do you get out of full screen? F11 maybe. Nope. Uh oh, guys. I might be stuck in full screen mode. I can't get out. Let's see here. I'm looking. I am looking. Oh, what's this thing at the bottom? Oh, there we go. That must be. Oh, that is the virtual machine. Okay, my bad. My bad. Let's see. I can't. There we go. Okay. My bad. Sorry. I'm learning here. Oh, it just went bonkers on me. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god. It doesn't like when you do that. It really doesn't like when you do that. Let me try something here. Let me move. Can I move this to... I'll do that later. There we go. Man, I don't know, guys. I really like... This is like very visually pleasing to me, the way this is laid out. And if you guys know how to put that 1, 2, 3, 4 thingy on there for me to switch, that would be epic. Maybe what I could do is just make Linux Mint look just like Kali, and then I wouldn't have to switch. Kali is not as stable and doesn't update and test packages as well as Mint does. But in principle, it's possible to run it instead of Mint. Well, I'm perfectly happy with Mint. I just like the way Kali looks. So maybe what I need to do is just mess around with Linux Mint and adjust. I could probably just, by going through all the settings, make it look the way, like making the folders the same colors, being able to switch desktops as quickly. I don't know, man. But I wonder do you guys use any of this software? Like reconnaissance, resource development? Okay. There should be a desktop switcher applet. Panel settings. Applets. I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Desktop switcher. There's a workpace switcher. Okay. Oh, look at that. Now I wonder if I can move. I got some crap on here I don't need to be running. Let me take some of this stuff off. Like that that computer one isn't really working the way I wanted it to anyway. Let's remove that one. And the other one, actually I do want that one. What was the other one I didn't want? This one, remove that. There we go. And then, can I move things around? I know there's a way to do it. I know there's a way to do this. Can I move it like way over here? No. Can I move it way over here? Yes, you can. They don't have the cool numbers though. They don't have the cool numbers like Callie did. But that's okay. I would like to have the cool numbers though, because I'm like OCD and I like that. I really like the way Callie looks though, man. I wonder, oh man, I wonder if there is like something that you can download that makes your desktop look just like Callie. Let's see. And I know there's a way that you can move it to the top, but I just don't know how. Let's see. Panel settings. I could have sworn it was under panel settings. Oh shit, what did I do? Okay. So just move it? You just drag it? Let's see. What's center zone? Is that what it does? Green and red zones. What? Right click on the panel and click onto move. Right click on panel. Move. I see it now. Duh. Oh, wow. Am I done? It looks different now. It's like a different color. Am I done? Oh. Oh, there it goes. And it'll look totally different too once I change it back to its normal resolution. Wow. Also install NeoFetch on Kali real quick if it's not installed, and run it, please, so we can see what theme oh, okay. You are one smart dude. Okay, so so do I type in sudo install NeoFetch? Oh shit. Okay. Installing missing destination file operand after NeoFetch. Try install help for more information. Oh, it's got to be app install there, right? It says command not found. It's really small. It's really hard to read this. I know it's probably not coming through on the stream. Yeah, because I love that theme. Whatever that theme is, that is awesome. So it didn't. No. Well, I just ran NeoFetch. I typed in sudo app install NeoFetch. It says unable to locate package NeoFetch, and then I just typed in NeoFetch and it said command not found. Yeah, so the first thing that I did was sudo app install NeoFetch. It asked for my password, but this time when I typed it in, it didn't ask for my password. It says unable to locate package NeoFetch. And then when I typed in just the word NeoFetch, it came back with command not found. Fast fetch, okay. Okay, command fast fetch not found, but you can install it with sudo app install fast fetch. Unable to locate package fast fetch. When I hit yes. Okay, in the settings. All right, let's get a settings really quick. Where are the settings? This is way different than what I'm used to. There's system services, Kali tweaks, PowerShell root terminal emulator, command and control. I don't see anything. It just says settings. Let's see. Maybe system services. There's something called Faraday stop, reporting tools, Kali something, Kali tools, Kali Linux, Kali forms. Oh, let me move. Oh shit, I can't do that. It still looks like garbage on the stream. I don't know why. Hold on one second. Let me go grab something. I'll be right back. Oh, you're gonna download Kali? That's a good idea because then you can see exactly what it's doing. Man, did I mention how nice I think this looks? This looks really cool. Let's see. You wonder if you can copy and paste out of the Kali VM, because then you could steal the terminal configuration. Well, let me see something. Let me go to this really quick. Here's something I found, dude. It says to make Linux Mint look and feel like Kali, or to make Linux Mint look like Kali, you can install Kali-like themes and icons, customize the panels and desktop appearance, and change the terminal prompt and colors. You'll need to find and download themes and icons, place them in the correct folders, and then apply them through the Mint's appearance settings. For the terminal, you'll modify the .bash rc file to change the prompt and adjust the terminal preferences for a dark color scheme. Find the themes and icons, search websites like this YouTube video or this Linux Mint forum for Kali themes and icons, or look for themes like Kali Dark or Kali Purple. It says extract and download the theme files, copy the theme folder to .themes directory in your home folder. Create the folder if it does not exist. Copy the icon folders to the icon directory. Create if it doesn't exist. Let's open that in a new tab really quick. Here, let's type in Kali theme. Okay. Let me check my phone really quick. Oops. Ooh, those look nice. Ooh, let me pull that up really quick. Oh, this page is taking a long time to load. Let's see something here. I can't get the whole page to load. Darn it. It loaded up really good in the browser on my phone, but let's see. Let me try doing it on another computer really quick. Yeah, even on this other computer, it's not loading up fast. Yeah, it loaded up really good in my browser on my phone, but for some reason, oh, there it goes. There's a little bit of it. It's kind of loading up. Let's see. Can you like? Is it easy to change themes? And if I don't like it, can you like go back easily? I thought I had saw that at one point. Let's see something here. There we go. Themes. Oh yeah, I only have those 3, I guess. Oh, here's some you can download. Wait a minute. Let's try. Nothing comes up for Cali. Let's try. There's purple. Let's see. Oh, they're pretty much right here inside the themes thing. Sky blue. That card looks pretty cool. Let's see. It looks all right. They've even got a Windows thing. That's crazy. Kind of curious what that looks like. A Windows 10 theme. That's funny. Well, some of these are really wild. Let's see. That one looks all right. That's interesting. Oh, that's really sharp. Let me see something how that's coming along. Oh, wait a minute. Couldn't we go into themes here? Um, what folder is the themes under? Is that library? I can't find the themes folder. I don't see it in here. It might not work with Mint, though. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Like, still doesn't show up. I don't. Let's see. Share themes. Local share themes. User share themes. I don't see shared now. Oh, there we go. Let's see which ones this is using. This is using Kali Dark. KTX3 XFWM4. There's Gnome Shell, GTK, GTK4, XFWM4, and then the index theme. So that's the one I like, is the Cali Dark. But like you said, I don't think I could just like copy and paste that into Cinnamon and make it work. So is that a matter of like downloading a whole new distro? Or is that something that's like easily done? Let's see here. Oh, you can't copy and paste over. Oh, okay. So XFCE is the bare bones lightweight desktop environment. It's just a new desktop environment. Can you switch like back and forth between the two without like doing crazy stuff? Oh yeah, that's right. I remember reading something about that. So is that, hold on. There's 3 buttons to the login screen. We have multiple. So how would I add the XFCE to let me see if I'm asking this right. How would I add the XFCE option? Is that like something that I can like install or something? Let me see. Let me see something here. I bet I could find it. What was it called again? XFCE2 Mint. To add the XFCE desktop environment to Linux Mint, open terminal, run sudo app update, sudo app install mint meta fxe mint from the software manager. After the installation is complete, log out of your current session at the login screen. Click the gear icon. Okay. Let's go. So sudo app update, sudo app install mint meta xfce. App install command not found. Oh, damn it. I always do that. It looks like it's doing it. I guess it's done. But the only way I'll find out is if I log out and do it. And then I would need to somehow save the theme from here. Let me see. And it doesn't recognize my USB drive, so I can't copy and paste it over there. How in the world would I copy this over to my thumb drive? Because it's not mounted on the VirtualBox. I've pasted it to my desktop. Everything's in there. I just have to figure out a way to get it over to... Maybe I could just drag it. Can I do that? It won't let me do that. Okay. Drag and drop operation from ghost to host failed. Guest to host. Oh. Copy. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Then VirtualBox should ask you if you want to mount it to the VM or your main machine. Oh, wait a minute. No, it looks like it just didn't give me an option there. Let's see. What if let's see. To mount an external drive to VM, connect the drive to the host, then use virtualization software menu VM removable device connect to pass the drive through the virtual machine. Virtual machine settings. Oh, wait a minute, you got it. General. Advanced. Shared clipboard. Bidirectional reboot. Well, it already is on bidirectional. Reboot your virtual machine. It already was on there. And drag and drop is bidirectional too. Maybe bidirectional. Oh man, guest host. Let me try guest. Oh, shit. Bidirectional should have it. Should be it, I mean. Because I thought I saw the same thing that you did. Copy. Yeah, it won't let you paste. Let me go back and see. It says removable devices. Go to software's menu. VM removable devices. Let me see if that's on there. No, I think my virtual machine just locked up. Well, no, it didn't. But I can't click on anything now. Let's try it again. Negative. Won't let me do it. Oh, wait a minute. Now it's doing it. Oh, then it stopped. It teased me for a minute. Let's see something. I was thinking maybe there was a share folder or something. Yeah, we're messing with Linux right now, Braven. We're troubleshooting some stuff and trying to figure some stuff out. What are you up to, buddy? Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? Because we definitely have the settings right. We have it bidirectional. What the heck? Let's well, that's what I was initially thinking, but I don't know how to set that up because I don't see one on here. When I go here, there's a public folder. Yeah, I'm not sure how to create. Here, let me try something. My home folder, there is a public folder. I'm not sure if that's a shared one. I'm not sure if that's what it is. Negative. I can't restart right now because we're streaming and I don't want to kill my stream. Oh man, this is tough. Some of these are tough. Let's see. Network. Let's see. You can make it one or any other folder. You just have to point VirtualBox to it in settings. Yeah, that's beyond me. I don't know how to do that. I don't know networking. I don't know sharing. I don't know any of that stuff in Linux yet. I can do it on a Mac, but I don't know how to do it here. I used to know how to do it on a Mac. What are you up to tonight, Braven? What are you doing, buddy? Are you playing with Linux too? Oh man, I'm sure you're sleepy. Yeah, it says Samba needs to be installed. Appropriate firewall rules need to be. Yeah, I don't want to be messing with firewalls and stuff like that until I know what I'm doing. That's a little crazy. But one day I would like to do this. I'd like to. I'm gonna tinker with my theme a little bit and see if I can get it looking kind of the way I want. Because I got to be honest, man, I really like this theme. I don't know how to use any of the programs in here or anything. You don't need any of the Samba stuff, okay. Some of these programs look intriguing, but I don't know how any of them work or what they do. I'll have to watch a video. Hey, Braven, if you want to get started with Linux, though, we got some really good folks in here that are smart and know how to do it. I might be able to help you with some of it. I don't know how to do it all, but at least I know how to install it. Like if you have a computer that you want to give it a try, because I think all the programs are free. You don't have to pay for any programs. They're all freeware. And I've been able to do all my weather stuff on Linux. So if that's something that you're interested in, man, let me know, and I can definitely help you out with that part of it. It is a pretty cool thing. It's just I'm getting really tired now. It's been a long day. It has been a long, long day. Right on, man. If you ever want to try it out, man, it's like I said, it's pretty good stuff. And you can get all that weather stuff for free because I know you really like doing that kind of stuff. I'm looking at the weather map right now, the radar Omega. There's a lot of thunderstorms. Well, not all of them are thunderstorms. There's a lot of storms over. It looks like Tennessee, West Virginia, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania. And believe it or not, they actually got flash flood warnings. I think. I don't know if they've expired or not, but they did. I think in around Las Vegas. Yeah, I think so. I think you're right with that. Let me look at it really quick and see where it's at. Um, let's look to see what it's doing. Yeah, it's only oh my gosh, it went up. It's 2 of 459. Let me cancel this because this is crazy. Let's I don't even know how to cancel it. Let's see. How would I cancel installation from here? You see something. File close maybe. Send the signal, I guess. I don't know. I'm guessing. Yeah, I canceled that installation, by the way. But man, I don't know, man. I gotta be honest. I gotta tell you, man. I'm really digging the way Cali looks. I don't think I would be able to do. Let me fix something really quick. Let me put this back to 100%. I think maybe I could just go into the settings and tinker with the folder colors. It's not going to look exactly like Kali, but I think it would look pretty close. Maybe I could download that theme also from somewhere if I can't copy and paste it. I think there was a way to do it. I can't remember how. But I did read somewhere that it is possible to do it. Oops, hold on, I messed up. Let me get out of here. Somehow I've messed up my VM. Let's see. Oh no. Let me cancel that. There it goes. Oh, wait a minute. You said do you have Discord on your computer? Yes, I do. Wait a minute. Let me check Discord. No, I don't, but I can install it really fast. Hold on one second. It'll only take me a second to install it. So you can send it to me on Discord? Okay. Oh wow, it's taking a long time to install. Wonder why. It never takes that long to install anything. Well, I could just go to my browser, I guess, and open it. Let me see. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. It's just a picture of it. Yeah, it just shows up as a picture, not a downloadable file. Could maybe you just send it to me as a direct message? Maybe. Let me see. Let's see. Maybe that would work. I don't know. I don't know if you can do that in Discord. If you can send files. Oh, wait a minute. Something happened. What was that? Discord friends. Something's beeping in Discord, but I can't. Wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. That may have worked. Okay, continue to download. Ah, there it is. Okay. So then I should be able to go to my downloads for. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. And then what do I do? Extract that to downloads, I guess. Let's see here. Okay, so there's the Kali Dark Tars GZ. Oh, come on. Now my computer's acting crazy. I can't click on stuff. I can't click on files. I can only click on directories. User share things. Oh. Okay. Extract into user. Why can't I see the user folder? Oh, this is killing me, bro. This is making my brain hurt. Where's the user folder? I'm like having a brain freeze right now. I can't figure anything out. How do I get to that folder? User share themes. I can't remember now. After I do this, I'm going to bed. Ugh, my brain is melting. There's C boot drive. Yeah, master, I know, but my brain's so messed up right now and tired. I can't remember how to get there, dude. Computer, maybe. Sometimes I just need specific instructions. File system, maybe. There we go. There we go. I figured it out. Okay. User. Share. And then scroll down to themes. Wow. I can't extract it there. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to extract it to the desktop and see if I can drop it in there. Error while moving Kali Dark. There was an error moving file to user share themes. Error moving. I can't. Permission denied. I can't do it. If I try to extract, I can't do that either. I can't do it. I can't. I extracted it to the desktop, but I can't drop it in that folder. Oh, okay. Let me try that. Oh my gosh, did it work? It may have worked. I think it worked. Oh yeah, that's right. I could have used the CP command. I totally forgot about that. So now that I installed that other theme thingy at the login screen, then I should be able to boot into that and then go to my themes and it be in there, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. With the way things are going tonight, who knows, right? And it's still installing. I'm going to cancel that. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, we'll cancel that. Well, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to log off and try that one last thing. And then my butt's going to bed. And I'll give you an update tomorrow because my brain is fried. It is fried. Oh, log out. Oh, that's still going to kill the stream, though, I think. Yeah, we definitely got through it, man. Thanks to you. I really appreciate it, dude. And we learned another thing, too. I didn't realize that you could send attachments through Discord. I guess they have to be like maybe a certain size. There's a size limit or something, but that worked out pretty good. Oh my gosh, you're in Germany? Oh, I had no idea you're in Germany. Oh my gosh. It's 4 a.m. Well, you need to get some sleep too, man. You need to relax for a while and have some downtime. All right, well, buddy, I appreciate you helping me out so much. Because this has been crazy, but we learned a lot. Well, at least I learned a lot of stuff tonight. It was totally nuts. That was a lot we went through, especially with the VMware and installing distros and all that stuff and learning about different things. But thanks a million, man. I really appreciate it. Thanks for joining the Discord, and now we can at least communicate and send stuff. So anyhow, I hope all y'all have a good night. It's 9:30 here Central Time in the U.S., so I hope everybody gets a good night's sleep, and I will catch y'all tomorrow night. Have a